Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today's video is unique because I have a brand new brand that I've never used, never seen before until last week to introduce to you guys. So peep at that cute little sticker of those cat eyes there. It's a dead giveaway as to this company's name, Bad Kitty Dips. Isn't that super cute? I love cats. I love my cats. I love everybody's cats. So I love the name of this company. So I'm opening this package because they sent me some samples to try out, and I really like her packaging already, plus the Skittles that came in it. I devoured those immediately after this video, and I just like that she sent them over in like little jars. They're not in little baggies, so I didn't have to depot them. They're already labeled. Her little tissue paper is super duper cute. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys every single color, pour it out into a cupcake liner, and get to swatching. The first color is called November in Nashville. It has like turquoise and very nice orange gold glitters in it, and I really like that this season. I feel like that has been very popular among other dip brands, and this one reminds me a lot of All Powdered Up's Autumn Sky, but the fine, not chunky glitter version of it. So I really like that I was able to find a fine glitter version of that color because it's very gorgeous, and these two colors together are stunning. Now, I've never owned a color quite like Moondancer. I have colors with moons, I have colors with stars, but never one like this. Like, it literally looks like the rocks on the moon, and it has stars and moons on it. So it's kind of hard to see because I swatch underneath. So I'm going to do a second dip real quick off camera and show you guys what it looks like on top. This is stunning, guys. Like, I love this. I'm excited to use it. Don't know how yet, though. October Sunset is a fine orange glitter, and I feel like it complements November Nashville so well. I put these swatches together when I was like off camera, and I was like, these two need to be put together with a solid turquoise. They will pair perfectly. The next color is Triple Berry. My goodness, I love her. She's the one that I'm going to be putting on my nails today. I went for anti-Halloween, anti-fall. I can't believe I did that. But I really just had an idea with this one, and I was like, I just need it. I need it. I had an idea, and yeah. This color I really wanted because it gives me all the Halloween vibes. So here she is in glitter all by herself. And I can't wait to use that one too, hopefully before Halloween comes, so excited for that. Now the next one is called Tequila Sunrise, and girl, it will make you want to grab a drink and sit on the beach. So Triple Berry is the first one I'm swatching right here, and I think it's called Triple Berry because it has three different berry-like glitters, like blueberry, raspberry, strawberry. That's what I feel like is going on here. I'm not sure, but I love this glitter. It is super duper stunning, and look at that coverage in just one coat. Indigo Vixen is the one that I think is perfect for Halloween. I like that it's not your traditional black, purple, green, orange, but it's like subtle versions of all of that combined into one. So it's definitely a subtle mixture that, hey, might actually go great with any black, green, orange, or purple. And then the third one is Tequila Sunrise. Remember that beachy feeling one? Yeah, I love her. I feel like there are some matte glitters in this one, and I absolutely love matte glitters. I kind of discovered them earlier this summer, and I've been obsessed with them ever since. So I really do hope that she comes out with more matte glitters for winter, spring, summer, whatever the seasons. I would love to see more matte glitters. As per usual, I have a layer of builder gel on my nails, and I'm about to put on peel base so that I don't have to soak these nails in acetone when I want to remove the dip powder. If you need a video on that, I have one linked up here in the cards. So yes, I'm excited to get started. Alright, everything is nice and dry and glossy. My top coat is on. But here are the colors. Here are the colors I chose. So I wanted colors that complemented Triple Berry, because Triple Berry is like the main attraction here. So I pulled out some Dipalicious colors because I know Dipalicious has really gorgeous like fuchsias, purples, aquas, turquoises, and I used these two colors. So I'm going to start with the glitter today. I normally start with solids, but I've totally messed that up in the past where I ended up dipping my whole hand in solid or most of it and messed up where I was going to place my glitter. So the liquids I'm using today are Triple D. They're my current favorite. I get that question quite a lot actually. What are my favorite liquids? Triple D currently. Dipalicious does take a close second to Triple D, so if you want to shop at either or, I recommend both. But yeah. Applying the dip powder is super duper easy. I just lay my finger flat into the cupcake liner, and this glitter had almost 100% full coverage in just one dip. There are some areas that were a little sparse and patchy, but that's super easy to fix. You just apply a little dab of base bond in the sparse area and dip it right back in. You don't have to apply a whole second coat of glitter to your entire nail and thicken it up. I'm going to go ahead and dip all my nails the way I intended to, and I will come back when it's time to do my pinky because I have a very specific design I want to do on that finger. So there's two things I'm going to do to my pinky today. I'm going to do a 2-color ombre, and then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of glitter on the line that kind of like divides the two colors. So I'm sorry that I'm out of shot. It took after I was reviewing my footage that I noticed my finger wasn't in shot, but you can still kind of see how I do the ombre. To get towards the cuticle area, I'm pointing my finger downwards, and when I want to go towards the tip area of my nail, I point my finger upwards because I want my brush to focus on the area that's pointing upwards. So I have those two colors ombre on there. I'm going to go ahead and dust everything off and see what we're working with. So it's all dusted off, and I think things are good for the glitter, but the other colors are a little bit sheer. So I'm going to do a second coat on everything, starting with the ombre. I'm going to just, now you can actually see what the heck I'm doing, right? So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle those two colors on and then work on the solids. Alright, if you made it this far, you get to see probably my favorite nail out of all of them. So my pinky is obviously the ombre. I'm going to add a little bit of base bond in a swirly motion, and then I'm going to try to sprinkle. I've learned that sprinkling doesn't pick up enough glitter, so I just dunk my finger into the jar or cupcake liner. So that's what it looks like, and I really think this swirl was super duper cute. If you suck at color blocking, or you suck at ombres, or you just messed it up on accident, doing glitters to hide the ombre or the color block is like a great way to hide your mistake without admitting that you did a mistake. So just a thought. I'm applying activator to all my nails, and I'm going to file and buff. If you guys have been around for a while, you know that I don't usually file and buff on camera because it's not the easiest thing to do to keep my hand in shot. I'm going to try it today, but just so you know, it didn't last very long. Alright, the filing, shaping, and buffing is all done. I kind of over buffed on my thumb, but don't worry, when I reactivate and top coat, you're not even going to be able to see that, so that's a win. I'm obsessed with this glitter, and I'm not even going to clear coat it with clear dip powder. I just want it to be as thin as possible, and it already lays really, really really flat. Oh my gosh. It lays so flat that you don't even have to worry about clear coating it. I can't believe I'm saying that. This glitter doesn't need a coat of clear. So if you lay it flat, the way that I like to lay my chunkier glitters or any type of glitter flat, you won't have any issues with this one. Alright, so it is nearing top coat time. This top coat is kind of finicky, but it's so freaking good. You just have to make sure you wipe all your nails with rubbing alcohol prior to your top coat. So you apply your second coat of activator, let it dry. Rub with rubbing alcohol, let that dry for like 30 seconds, and then go in with your top coat. So it's a really, really good top coat. Alright, that is all done. The top coat is going to dry. It really doesn't take long at all, not even a minute, I feel like. So, yes, I'm gonna let that dry. I'm obsessed. This glitter, I don't care that it's Halloween and fall this month. I was like, let's do something different. I feel like this is a summery type of mani, but who says you have to follow the seasons or trends? Nobody. I'm pretty sure there's people out there that do say it, but F them. So, I actually want to change this. So I last minute decided to change and add a matte top coat. I decided to try out the Triple D new gel matte top coat. So I matted it up and I love it so much better. The only thing I didn't add matte top coat was to the two full glitter nails. I wanted to keep those glossy so that the glitter could shine, but everything else is matte, and I really love this top coat. Like, the matte wasn't super thick. Like, obviously mattes have a thickness to them that's different than traditional gel, but it wasn't like that gross thick. So I really like this matte top coat, and I'm excited. And if you guys want to see the Bad Kitty Dips swatches again, I'm going to have a little snippet here. So here are all the swatches right next to each other, and here they are one by one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. And I'm going to have everything linked in the description box below, so if you want to shop Bad Kitty dips or anything else I mentioned in this video, it's all going to be linked below. Thank you so much.